This question asks us to identify the bonds broken and bonds formed in this elimination reaction. First thing I notice is we have a chlorine attached to the starting material. We don't in the product. So one of the bonds broken is the C1 chlorine sigma bond. The next bond broken is a little bit hidden. We need to be a little bit careful here. On carbon 2, there are 2 implied hydrogens. If we look at our product on carbon number 2, there's only 1 implied hydrogen. Therefore, we've also broken a C2 hydrogen sigma bond. Be aware of implied hydrogens when making bond formed, bond broken list. In terms of bond form, the big change is the addition of the double bond here. So we have formed a C1, C2 pi bond. The other thing that we've formed is the chlorine is now attached to that hydrogen. So now we've formed a hydrogen chlorine sigma bond. These are the bonds broken and bonds formed for this elimination reaction.